y'all, it's Sarah. I'm back. I'm in my bathroom, in my master bedroom bathroom. Let me close this because so if you guys hear echo, my bad. I'm ready to come over here and show y'all how to tint your eyebrows at home, okay? So don't let anybody make this seem more difficult than what it actually is, okay? So when I was taking clients, I would charge $15 for the brows, I believe, or $20 for the brows and $25 for the lashes. I forgot my prices, but I'm showing y'all how easy this is to do at home. And I even like told my clients how easy it was too, okay? So this is what you gotta do. You can order this shit from anywhere. You can order it from Amazon. Me personally, because I am, oh yeah, by the way, I'm a licensed esthetician. So what I'm telling you is like what I would practice on my clients. So the stuff that I purchase is all professional. So I would purchase from like Universal companies, Cosmoprof, all of that. I do not believe in using products. When I say products, I mean like dye or any type of wax. I will not order that on Amazon. You can order it from Amazon, but I won't or wouldn't because I was charging my clients money, so they deserve to get, you know, the best. So, but you can order some of that shit on Amazon, same thing, but it was just like an ethical thing with me. I was like, no, I'm gonna pay full price and get it the right way. Anyways, beside that, I'm gonna show y'all what you need to do, okay? So, this is, you can use Vaseline to like outline your brows. I don't, because I don't really care if I get it on my skin or not. I'm gonna wax my brows right after, so stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna show you how to wax yourselves too. So, this is what I use. How do you even... This is all dirty. I had like an explosion, so boom, okay? That's the developer. Y'all, this is so dirty. I'm like, this is so hideous right now. And then I use the actual color in dark brown, okay? I haven't used this stuff in so, I don't wanna say so long, but I haven't been like doing what I need to do to keep it up. So all you're gonna do is take like a little plastic thing. You're literally gonna dispense, I'll show y'all, hold on. So I dispensed like that much, okay? You really don't need a lot. Then you take the developer, it's equal parts, okay? So if you dispense, just try to just make it look even. There's no like right or wrong. I'm making this as simple as I can for y'all because I know that you may think it's a freaking crazy hard thing that we do when we do this. It's not, it's easy. And I've told my clients you can do this to yourself at home and not pay me. Like you can get this stuff and do it. They just prefer for me to do it, or preferred because I no longer do it anymore. But I do tint my own brows. I haven't tinted them in like, it's been like 6 weeks. But this is all you do, you mix it up, okay? So it looks like that, ba-bang. And all you're gonna do, so excuse me y'all because literally I haven't, ooh, where's my mirror at? I need to use my Glamcore mirror, you guys can watch me. So all I'm doing is I'm just going over it. Don't be afraid to press down, you guys. Press down on it. Let me get some more. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. I've done this so many times on Instagram, on my lives, or not lives, because the way my internet is set out, y'all, I live out here in the country, it's crazy. So I use a dark brown, oops, y'all can't see. I use a dark brown when I do my brows, but you may need to use something else. You may need to use like a light brown. I like my brows to look dark, and just remember, whatever the color is, like it's gonna look darker than what it's gonna finish off with. So if you, I'll show y'all. A quick way to make like 20 bucks in 10 minutes. It doesn't even take 10 minutes. I'm saying 10 minutes with cleaning up and prepping it and stuff. It probably still doesn't even take 10 minutes. I haven't even waxed my brows in like 6 weeks. Or my lips, so excuse if y'all see some things going on. You'll also need some Q-tips and I'll show y'all why. Okay, so I have it applied, right? And the reason why I am tinting before, hold on. The reason why I'm tinting my brows before I wax is because I want that tint to pick up. All I'm doing right now is I'm taking off anything that I may see like on the outside of my brow line. I want that tint to pick up all the hairs that I would miss. So all of my light hairs, I want it to pick it up so that I can wax it off, see my outline and stuff like that. So this is like the easiest thing in the whole entire world, y'all. And I can leave mine on for like 5 minutes. So at this point I would just do nothing. And I probably, so if my client was sitting there and I put this on, I would just start cleaning up and I'd be talking to her. All my clients were cool, girl. They were cool. So that's what it looks like up close. So like them nice and dark. I just filmed a video on how to clean the wax pot and my nighttime facial routine. Just showing y'all how to do it because honestly, people think that these things, a lot of the shit we do is hard and you should be licensed, but like tinting eyebrows and stuff like that, like I believe you should be trained because like you just should. But if you were ballsy and wanted to try it at home, you're not gonna kill yourself. You're not gonna like go missing with a brow or anything like that. So it's okay. Now waxing, the next video I'm about to make, I would not try it unless you absolutely know what you're doing because you can really hurt yourself. So, but I'm still gonna show y'all how to do it. But anyways, let's let these 5 minutes pass. All right, y'all, so I'm guessing it's time to take this off. I was a little sloppy, but all I did was I grabbed like a kitchen wipe towel or whatever. This is rough, so if I had a client, I wouldn't use this type on them. I would use like an aesthetics wipe, or if you have Viva wipes, the ones that feel like washcloths, those are fine too. But I'm just wiping it off. And remember, this is not gonna be this dark like tomorrow or the next day. It fades just a little bit, so that's why I always like to go a little bit darker than what I want it to be, because I know I've just been doing my brows for so long. I just know what works. But look, y'all, like, how simple is that? Easy, it's so easy. And if you get messy, there's like a remover, but I mean, it'll just come off. Like, look how simple that is. You do not need to be like a rocket scientist to know how to, you really don't need to be a rocket scientist to become an esthetician. One of the easiest things I've ever done in my entire life, but it was super fun. But yeah, y'all, so that's how you tint your brows. So some people I've even seen charge up to like $40 to tint their brows. I just showed y'all how to do it for free, and y'all can just buy the stuff on Amazon or wherever it is that y'all buy it, wherever y'all can find it, or if you guys have a friend that's licensed to get y'all some stuff. But yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna give y'all another tip. I'm about to show y'all how to wax my brows. So stay tuned for the next video. If you guys already, if y'all haven't liked and subscribed by now, I mean, what are you really doing? Go ahead and just do it.